Let's have a look at how social distancing affects the growth rate. Let's take the United States as an example, and let's see what the numbers looked like on March 22nd. By March 22nd, three states had already imposed social distancing measures. That's New York, California, and Washington, and Michigan would follow the following day. So we can attribute any change in the daily growth rate specifically to the imposition of social distancing norms. So let's play that forward and see how that affects the growth rate. Okay, so we start seeing immediately that the growth rate starts coming down, goes down below 30%, below 25%, below 20%, and finally crosses over under 15% to actually arrive at 14.26, which is the last growth rate that we had on April 4th. So what we see is that social distancing works. It has reduced the amount of cases dramatically. And to understand what the implications are, if we had stayed at roughly a 38% growth rate that we had on March 22nd and continued at that level, the United States would have seen over 2 million cases by April 4th. Being at 308,850 is a large number, but it's much less than 2 million. There's still a long ways to go for the United States. The United States needs to get its growth rate under 1%, much as how South Korea and China have done, and there's still a lot of work to do. But the key thing is, it's on the right path, and the United States needs to continue imposing social distancing for as long as possible until the numbers come under control.